Next, let's see some sketch skills. First, use curve connectivity command to check the sketch is closed or open. Second, use copy and paste to reuse sketch. Third, relocate the sketch with a command on the right menu. Now, let's make a new file. Name it sketch skill. Create a basic geometry like block. Set the length as 800. The width is 400. Insert a sketch. Pick the XY datum. In this sketch, we can directly import an image and get some curve information. To see it clearly, let's change the curve attribute. Make it black color. Okay, exit sketch. You can see the sketch is located on the bottom surface. Now, from the right menu, we can relocate it. Define the new plane. Up direction and original point. Next, do extrude operation. Extrude this sketch from 0 to 2 mm. When you scroll down, you can see on the command panel these settings are inactive. It means that this sketch is not closed geometry. Let's check the result. In History Manager, there are so many surfaces information, not solid geometry. Redefine the sketch to check what the problem is. Show target to see clearly. Choose Inquire and click Curve Connectivity. The check result is shown in the output window. 2 are matched, 0 overmatched, and they are marked in the sketch. These two endpoints are not connected. Use blend command to create a connecting curve. Select these curves and use default settings. Trim both long, then click OK. This is blend curved. Now we can check it again. 0 unmatched and 0 overmatched. This is the closed geometry, and this model is updated. It has become a solid part. How to use the sketch? Firstly, enter the sketch environment. Press Ctrl and C to copy it. Define the base point. Create a new file, name it Reuse Sketch. Insert a sketch. Use Ctrl and V to paste it. This operation is very easy to do, even between different files. In the end, let's do an exercise to get familiar with sketch feature. Create a new sketch file. Step 1. Use line command to create some needed reference lines. First, horizontal line. Then the second one. And the third one. These are vertical lines. First, second, third, and fourth. In the first step, we don't need to care about the detail distance. Next, add some constraints. Locate this line in the y direction and this one in the x direction. Add the dimension for others. Let's say 70 for this. This one, let's say 40. Then this one, 60. Next, make it 180. This we set it as 290. Then we use drag and drop to directly extend these horizontal lines. Last operation, select them all, right-click, choose toggle type. Then they have become reference lines. Step 2. Create some basic geometry. Draw circle and type in the position of center and the radius value. This one is located at original point and the radius is 20. A new position, radius is 12. Second one is 20. Do it again, radius is 12 and 24. Next, create the connecting arcs. First, use the angle method. Center is the original point. Radius is 40. Pick pins to define the start angle and end angle. Continue to draw others. Use 3-point method. First point, second point, and through point. Do this again with the same method. And then, this arc uses radius method. Pick 2 points in this area and set radius as 170. Other 2 arcs also use 3-point method. Select the suitable positions. After finished drawing, next step is to trim the geometry. Trim these unneeded arcs. Now step 5. Add the constraints and dimensions. All of the arcs should be tangents. 2 bigger arcs are tangent to the horizontal reference lines. Define them one by one. Just pick the arcs and add tangent constraint. Go on. Here is the last one. Step 6. continue to add some other constraints. The center of this circle is located on the third vertical line. Add some dimensions. This arc's radius is 24. And that one is 20. The last one is 75. Okay, now let's inquire the status. As it is in green color, it means this sketch is well defined. So we can close the window and see this is the final result. Thank you for your time.